Ooh.
Don't even the only one.
Hey, I want to know if we're on. Are we on LinkedIn? Are we on here? Are we on here? Ah, yeah. Hey, we're on here. We're on LinkedIn. On YouTube. You're everywhere, Manon, right now.
I
Happy
can.
birthday, Manon. Happy birthday, Manon. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Manon. Hey, Manon. First
Hey,
first time with
thanks.
you. I'm kind of
Yes.
excited, and I'm fearing just go on a side tracks and have too much fun and not fix a problem. I don't know
Yes.
why.
I'm
Yeah.
scared to say anything weird, but you know what? Let's do this. Let's be
You,
weird together.
you're not scared. You're always saying something weird, right?
That's true.
No?
I'm
Are you?
always saying stuff weird. I'm a weirdo.
You're in Montreal right now, right?
Yes.
It's not weird enough. Yeah, Montreal is weird.
I'm
Kind of
in
weird.
Verdun.
Oh,
Yeah,
Verdun.
on
Oh,
the
Verdun.
Verdun on the island of Montreal is weird.
Yeah, it's true. Between Verdun and Hochelaga, what's the weirder, neighborhood?
Uh, if you take mushroom is Hochelaga.
Well, pretty much everywhere can be weird if you take mushrooms, right?
Yes, but you will find mushroom in Hochelaga. Here, less.
Less, a
It's
little bit
more,
less. The quality is a
yeah,
little bit
because
better.
it's a little bit more family friendly.
Well, long time since you visit our neighborhood. I may need to invite you for a coffee because,
Last
there's
time I,
boogaboo strollers
wow,
with.
that was weird.
When was the last time you went to
When I
our
was
place?
getting a tattoo,
Let
uh,
me.
6 months ago.
More than 5 years ago? Six
Mm,
months?
yeah.
6 years? Well,
No,
it's
six
completely new.
months.
We
6 months.
6 months. Oh yeah. Okay. And you find it weird. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah.
It was weird.
Oh yeah. At
Okay.
the bus stop, I was like, "Whoa, wow. Oh, okay,
Give me
cool."
an example of weirdness.
So this guy was dressed as Elvis Presley
Oh yeah. Oh, I know the one you mean. Yeah.
and dancing
But it's
and
cool.
singing. Yeah, but it was not good.
Well,
It
we
was
are
not.
UX designers. We should be okay with weirdness, right?
Yes, but that's what I like weird, but cool at the same time. This is what just weird.
So there's levels of weirdness, but
Yes, I'm
was
really specific, and that was just weird. I was like, I'm not comfortable right now.
that's kind of funny. Love it. So we'll talk about a problem in 5 minutes. So we have another 5 minutes in front of us. But
Okay, to say against weird stuff about Montreal, or you want to say weird stuff about other stuff?
well, let's talk about design a little bit.
Yep.
What's the what's the design you find the most you found the most weird these days that you don't understand and you use and say what's happening with this design? Why they thought that is
It, it
was a good
it's
decision?
it's not new, but Snapchat for me is an enigma.
You're the only one who know how to use. Not no not how. Wow,
Yeah.
I'm
Oof.
confused even talking about Snapchat. Yeah.
Yeah. But I know this is not a new app. This has been there for a long time, blah blah blah. But I don't
Yeah.
know how to use it. Each time I'm like, I have a cousin who is 17 and say, yeah, let's go on Snapchat. And each time I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna be cool for my cousin, my teenage cousin. And I'm like, no, let's go back to Instagram, please. I am not cool.
You're not cool. Is it that my wife just use Snap for the filters and the lens, and that's it. She doesn't know how to use Snapchat in general.
I
It's
don't
weird.
understand how the navigation. I'm like, I'm always lost. Maybe
Yeah,
this is the point,
maybe this is the point. What do
but
you
I'm
think?
lost.
Why it's so weird? What do you think?
May maybe the specific target audience understand this less structured way of navigating stuff. Maybe I need too much structure. I need too much guidance. I need to know where am I at all time. I need that kind of stuff to feel safe in an app. But maybe because they're so much sticky and less structured, they are okay with this kind of fluidity. But for me, I'm just like,
It's just too much. Huh? Yeah, if you type, UX and Snapchat on Reddit, on elsewhere, and even on Twitter, there's a lot of designers who will just scream and say, "Why? Just why?" Because
yeah,
it's true.
Reddit also. My
Reddit?
mind is oh
Yeah.
I need somebody. So I'm using LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter. Please, somebody contact me to help me understand how Reddit works. I really need somebody who teach me how to use it. It seems interesting.
Yeah, but it seems interesting. I kind of love it. LinkedIn is not that great. Also, have you used LinkedIn? LinkedIn, I don't understand this exactly. So people said for the last 2-3 weeks about Twitter and Elon and all that. Twitter is kind of weird. Have you tried LinkedIn? Have you just tried LinkedIn?
I tried LinkedIn. I use it quite a bit, and I always hey, if there's LinkedIn people on live, maybe we don't know. I have a problem. They sent me notification, and I always go on the 3 dot and say I don't want to receive the notification anymore, and they keep coming back. I have notification about a guy who just post on LinkedIn every day, and I don't want this. I don't want this.
That. I made a big cleanup in LinkedIn. I'm not following anyone now on LinkedIn. 6 months ago, I think I watch Harry Potter, all the movies of Harry Potter, and remove people one by one because there's no bulk way, to just remove everyone. And my life didn't change that much. Nothing in my life changed. No crisis and anything. I'm on LinkedIn, but I'm not following anyone. But I did that for 15 years. I used LinkedIn a lot. I was involved and engaged and all. Sometimes I stop. I don't know why. It feels great, but I do feel.
I have a feed blocker.
Let's fix another problem together if you want. If you don't.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen. I found a good problem on UX StackExchange. Do you use UX StackExchange, by the way?
No.
Oh, okay. It's okay. No, don't worry about it.
Please. I use a lot of stuff, but we have a problem in this culture. It's called meeting.
Yeah. That's why we're having fun today, just between designers. Yeah.
Exactly. So at 5, I close my computer and then say, "No, stop, leave me alone."
Oh, great. So let's swarm around this problem together. Have fun. So don't worry about it. Nobody's watching. Or just you and I in front of a problem. So I found a problem from. Oh, I don't even know who's the person. I'm so sorry. So they said I'm here to ask you, what is the best UX for filter in a table with in a page with a table in this video? Oh, we kind of need this video, right? Kind of need. Let me take a look at the video. Oh! I forgot. I'll show the video. So in this video, you can see a page with a table and some data, a full text search bar and a button with
the text. It's in Italian.
It's in Italian.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. Cool.
Just for I didn't know the problem before this.
No, you didn't.
I'm so happy that it's in Italian. I'm so fluent in Italian.
It is. Oh yeah, you are.
No.
I don't. Let me just minimize my tabs. I'll share this instead. Give me a moment. I will share you instead of our whimsical. I'll share you the UX StackExchange. Not my 10 screen, just this window. Great. Sharing. Going back. So, filtry, that means filters. Clicking on it on a bundle, okay, with some fields open. Okay, I like consistency. Every page with a table has the same design. Great. So, Dennis, his name is Dennis. His question is this design good concerning the UX, or there is a better way to put filters on a page using a model like I did, or using a collapsible panel? It's only a personal taste, or there's more to that. So let's look at this video just quickly. So let's play it. So you click on filter and you have, okay, interesting. So you're just clicking on filter. Filtry, yeah. And
you really have to know your filter, because if you don't know,
yeah. So let's write down the problem. What do you think it's the problem we have to fix today? So I don't know what it is. What do you think it is? It's
this is not the kind of filter. This is what do you need to filter, because for me it's like what kind of information you need to filter, and based on this I can find the best filter for the context of usage.
So for as a user of, okay, I don't know what's the user, what kind of user it is.
Yeah.
If it's enterprise user or a user.
It's articoli, is it artichaut?
Artichaut. Or articles, maybe. I love how you think. I just love how you think. Maybe.
I am not vegan, but I'm thinking about vegetables.
They feel like it's a CMS.
For me, everything is Italian is about food. Just for you know.
Well, it's kind of good thing. So, as a user of a content management system, let's make this assumption. Yeah. I want to filter. No, I do not want to filter. I think I want to search a specific article or narrow down. What do you think you want to do here?
Because when you use filter, you already type words that he knows. So it's not exploring.
He's not exploring like it. I want to.
So he's searching something specific.
Good. I want to get to a specific article. So
articles.
I can.
Because no, but do you want a series of just one?
What do you think?
I have not the answer. I would love to have the answer.
Let's make an assumption. Let's look at the video again. He's filtering a category. And
he's filtering only by category, so it doesn't want something specific. He wants a category.
So feel like he's searching for an article. He kind of knows something, like a category of the article. What's the category of the article? And just let's go to the article. Let's take these assumptions. Maybe, well, I would love to have Dennis with us, and his lovely Italian accent, but he's not here with us. So I want to get a specific article so I can update, edit, or make change.
Yeah. Yes, exactly.
Okay. So right now what we have is something like that. We have a data table and we have filter somewhere. We click on something and then there's a model. Is it really helping? What do you think? Because this question is, would it be better to have, a collapsible panel somewhere instead of a model? What do you think?
Right now I'm not thinking about solution. I'm just like, if it's your problem is to get specific articles, okay, I don't think it's too much action to have just one. We can go much faster. Because right now I have to click on filter, and filter is for me filters is like, oh, I'm gonna have a category and then I have a choice, but it's only on my mind. Because if I use something specific, I use search. Because I like in Gmail, when I search something specific, I'm going very specific with words.
It's true.
If I use filter, This is more category. I'm gonna explore some difference than one.
Got it. So you're saying that you don't know the title of the article, maybe like a little bit like Gmail. You don't know exactly the subject of the email, but you kind of know who sent it, or when, or there's a criteria to find it.
Yes.
And there's already a column with category.
Yes.
What we see, and so filtering category right away into the table for what you said would be quicker.
Yes, but if there's like too much in category, if the like what you put on the whimsical, maybe the category legi is there's too much.
It's too much.
So filtering like this won't resolve your problem.
Why?
If you have like 1,000 stuff on the category legi, maybe it's not precise enough.
So that's
maybe
why
I'm going ahead of myself, but
no. For what I understand is that we have a table with title, author, category, stats, and that of publication. Yeah. And so the developer just add a filter on the column that they can search with. So then author, stats, and category. What you're saying is, why should I click on something, have a model, input something, click applied, and get to the result? We kind of might need to find out. Okay, so I think the problem here is I want to get to a specific article as fast as possible.
I think when we talk about filters and stuff like that, there's all like have access to the information quickly.
Yeah. So a model. And I tend to agree with you. It's kind of slowing down. The goal of a model is you're stopping what you do, and whatever you're doing, stop. Don't mind. Focus on the one thing I want you to do, and then go to the next step, or go back. Now, what you're saying is, how can I filter without breaking the flow? I'm in my table. I would just want to. I don't know.
Yes, and your brain is working in a specific way, and with a model, you get this way of thinking.
There's only one way. Oh, that's great.
No, but
no. I mean that's a great insight. Model is just one way.
Yeah.
And there's no place to play around, to discover, to add something. I don't know what it is. That's true. That's one bad thing with it is I'm filtering by one category, but I don't know how many articles I have in this category. I don't know. Maybe it's a wrong choice. If it's wrong, I have to go back to the model and go back to the results. So the back and forth can be,
Yeah, and the category here, they don't have a drop down. So I need to know the exact category. How is it written to have the good results? So this put so much weight on the shoulder of the user to not make mistakes, to have the answer that he needs. So I think it's much work and not enough support to make you arrive at your destination.
Got it. So let's try to create just a quick table. We'll prototype something together just for fun so we can improve it. So let's say that we have, that's maybe too much. We have title here.
Never use whimsical, so I'm gonna let you do stuff.
You'll let me know? Okay, great. Tell me what to do.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, I know. Designer love to do that. That is publication, date of publication. There it is. Let's remove this. No, remove this column. Delete column. Delete column. Okay, there it is. So what we have, and I'll add also here a search. Just search.
Because there's 10 elements per page, and there's 13 pages. So yeah, you can have a lot of articles.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's not, it's not artichoke. It's the dilemma politico. Yeah, not. Yeah, I prefer artichoke.
They taste better than categories. Yeah.
Especially in Italy right now.
That's true. Okay, so I love it. Okay, so what we have the as is you click on filter, and the
Mhm.
problem also is I don't even know if I apply the filter. I have to click on filter and go in the model to know if there's a filter applied. It's kind
Yeah,
of
and
suck.
what kind of filters?
What kind of
So I
filter?
have,
Oh,
that's a lot of guess
yeah, yeah.
and yeah, and
Okay,
involve now engagement, like a lot of energy where you don't know that if it works or not.
exactly. So did I filtered or not? So there's no system status here, no feedback from the system also, whatever. Okay, so let's find another way to do this.
Okay.
What do you have in mind?
If it just want to filter by category, I
Yeah,
don't. I'm so bad with stuff in names, but you know the little arrow beside the words in the table. Sometimes it's, you know,
it's good.
it's fast.
So let me do
But
something here. Like
I don't
category,
remember the UX word for that. But
sorting, I mean,
yes,
no,
but
sorting.
filters and forwarding, it's not the same. I remember that it's not the same.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. So let's say that at least one thing we can do is to add sorting like that. So that's one. That's something very classic. So I just sort all the categories alphabetically, let's say. Just
Yeah,
that. Okay.
yeah, but it's
Um,
not the solution at all.
but it's one.
It's
We're
at
fixing
least
something. At
it's
least
fast.
no, and it's faster. It's a little bit faster. So I'll just build on your ideas. So let's say filter. What we can do is to add under filter, because that's something very classic.
Yep,
I think
yep,
we can see that in material design a lot, where you can also filter a column. You know,
yep.
you click on this and you have a little, not a popover, maybe something like maybe a popover, let's say. And now you can select the category and you
Yep.
only show the category. That's one.
Yep. Exactly.
And so that would be, the first state, and the other state would be something like it's not a great notification, but let's say I filtered by 2 criteria as when
Yes.
it's something
Yep.
like that. And if I'm clicking on this, let's see how we can make it better. Oh, sorry. How can make it better? So if I'm clicking on this, the other state, I'm moving things around. Sorry.
Stop saying sorry.
Let's say it's another,
Oh,
I don't know, it's another
yep.
window, pop over, something like that. And now we can say now filter that by
The category, and maybe I can choose one or more.
one or more.
Why not?
So classic one or more. It's it's a
Checklist.
checklist.
Yep.
Category.
What was
Category
this
1,
category?
2,
There's
3.
leggy, and then I don't know
Let's
if you want
say, yeah. Let's do just that.
pizza,
Yeah, exactly.
mozzarella.
Apply.
I want a pizza now.
Oh yeah. Well, absolutely.
Can we tell
Even a
Dennis
cold
that?
pizza is a good pizza. So
Yes.
yeah.
Can we tell Dennis, hey, we found a solution. Please send us pizza.
We're playing with stereotypes, but I love it. So here, just I think I'm sorting with categories quick enough. But if I'm clicking on something, selecting a category and apply, I'm saving a click. That's for I don't like saying I'm saving a click. It's not that important. If all clicks are meaningful, good. But
my click are more impactful.
Just what you said. So when I'm clicking on category here, and here, for example, this and this one, I just have to say apply, and then I do have a list, and that's it. So I'm playing the data table. I'm messaging it. I'm trying to find what's what. And
I have also stuff to say if I can.
Yeah, please.
How do I read it? Because sometimes okay. I would love to have more information on how much items there is in each categories, because sometimes I don't know and I don't want to click and see nothing. So maybe it will be like more meaningful to put, hey, there's type of how much items, and how do I reset easily my categories and my filters.
And reset not just category, but maybe all others.
Yeah.
All others. If I add
Yes.
other filters
Yeah.
somewhere. So what you're saying is we kind of need a place where we say it. We
Reset
have
all filters.
reset all filters. So let's put it somewhere else. Reset filters like that here. That means that here I applied something.
Yep.
So how many items in a category? That's great. Put it back here. Great.
Mhm.
And if I want to just reset, I click on reset. So I'm saving a click. I don't have to click.
Yep.
Open. And
décocher, but I don't have the word in French,
check.
in English, but uncheck.
And clear.
Yep.
Maybe clear filter will be the same. Clear filter.
Oh, I have a UX, the perfect and amazing UX writer that can help us with those words because she's the best.
She's the best? What do you think she will say?
She will say, "Let me go inside and I will tell you what I'm going to say." Do.
Yeah, a good UX writer, good UX content, micro copy kind of genius is kind of important.
But she can explain her decision, so we can have challenges and debate. But like yesterday, she taught me that user only. Oh, if I say something wrong, she's gonna catch me. But only read the 2 first words. Every
everything.
Sentence. Every actions or every sentence. So
I know when my wife is speaking to me, I'm just hearing 2 words. But reading, it's a joke. I love you. But
not
yeah, I do.
Article and stuff, but in apps.
In apps. That would be smart. It's a good way to scan because you want to scan. You want to get to your point quickly. That's kind of. I could believe that. I would love to know, what's the source and how did she discovered that.
I can send it.
Oh, please send it. Yeah, we have a place where we can share stuff. Where. So good. So let's go back to this problem.
Yeah.
So model is out of the way. Let's create something right where the content is, where's the data here is, and if you want to filter, just click on the right label, the like column title, sort it, filter it, you're done. And maybe the only thing I would love to see someday here is maybe save the filters. Save it. So I don't want to, because the problem is I want to get to a specific article as fast as possible. So I did the search, my search strategy or my filtering and all. Maybe I want to go back at it, tomorrow, and I want to be even quicker. So save it somehow. Save a filter.
Yeah, save filter, because save like this, I don't understand what I'm saving.
Maybe
I
think it's a little bit scope creep, but I do understand what you mean.
Transform me as I need to change it because now she just.
Oh, please.
So no capital on words.
Okay.
Only capital on the first word. Yeah, now she changed everything in my mind. She's like.
Look, mesdames et messieurs, a UX designer at work. All the little details, they are important. So clear filters, save filter. I don't know exactly how a save filter would work and how to retrieve the filters. I don't know. This is not, we're just trying something out there. We don't know the feasibility of it.
This is not the user story?
No, it's not a user story, but it's a little bit part of it because if I want to get to something quickly, I can retrieve the filters I used yesterday. It would be a great addition to this.
Yep.
Good. I think it's good. I think it's enough.
Yeah, you don't need much more.
No. You know what I will ask you? Because we're swimming around the problem. Can you summarize everything from the problem to the solution for our audience? Can you do that?
Oh, wow. Go back to design school in 2 seconds.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, exactly. Now I'm getting shy.
It's okay. Just for me. Just let's say you just.
Okay, so
just tell me what we did together. Yeah.
Okay, so it's Dennis, right? His name?
Yeah, it's nice.
Dennis from Italy wanted to filter by category is artichokes. I'm gonna stay with my artichokes.
Artichokes. Yeah, it's not articles, it's artichokes. Yeah.
Yes, I'm gonna stay with this. And his problem was he wanted to know if the way he did it with a pop-up model and this kind of stuff, if it works and if it was useful, I think, and consistent. We decided that was maybe not the right solution. And so we started with the problem and we said, oh, as a content manager, as a content manager using a content manager system, my filters need to work for me and not against me. So if I use filter, it is because I want to get a specific article as fast as possible to work on it. So based on that, we said, yeah, the model that Dennis designed is not the right solution. So we decided to go with a solution that is impactful and working for the user. So you have sorting and filtering inside a category. You can click on it, search, you have the name of the category because in the model you have no name, so you have to remember. And then you have the name of the category. You can choose them per the number of items you have each category. You can apply it. So now you have a way to say, I applied the filter. And then see the results and say also you have also a way of knowing how much category did you choose. So then, and you can clear filter with one click instead of going in each category, because in this system I don't know how it was clearing stuff. Oh, no, I don't clear.
Either. That's it. I would say, if you think a model is a right decision, just try again. A model is a red flag. If you're using model, just work a little bit harder. Just a little.
Like using model is really for in the model you're gonna have another task.
Exactly. And that was not the goal here. The goal was to just browse around, get to an article. So you're saying, no, stop what you're doing. I want you to do something else. So yeah, a model, if you have a model, think again, ask a great UX designer friend like Manon, and she will help you. Thank you, Manon. That was fun today. It was really fun. And let's do another one very soon. And again, happy birthday.
Thank you, and eat Italian food.
Please, as much as you can.
Please, this is
life. Go carbs.
Oh yeah, carbs are life.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.